Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In your previous class, how to form greatest number and smallest number in 3-digit numbers. Okay, and I said in your previous class, Amma, how to compare numbers means how to find out biggest number and how to find out smallest number. Let's see that bit in activity 3 again repeated. Encircle the largest number. Tell me, children, how to find out which one is the largest number. So first, whatever you get in numbers, that has how many digit numbers means 100 place values or 1000 place values. You are check it once. These are all 1000 place values. So we are checking in first 1000 place. Here 3, 3, 3 and 4, 4. So these are 3, 3 and these both are having 4. So these are both 4 compared with the 3. 4 is the biggest one. Yes, you need which largest number? You need largest number. So these are, you compare these two numbers because these are having in 1000 plus 3. So compare these two numbers. These are all small numbers. Okay. Now here 4, here also 4. We are checking in 100 place. Next, then go to next place value, that is 100 place value. And next here 4 is there, here 3 is there. 4 is the big one. So what is our greatest number? 4422. You put circle to that largest number. Now same like that, this is also having 1000 place. 6, 5, 6, 7, 7. You need largest number. So 7, 7. That is both having 7. This you are comparing next. 8, 4. 8 is the big one. So you put circle to 7824. Next one number 4, 3, 3, 6, 7. So 7 is the largest one. So you put circle to the 7677. You can understand how to find out largest number. First we are comparing in 1000 place, that all are same. So you are then go to next place value. Okay. Next to 3, 6, 4, 4, 4. You need largest. Here largest number is got it. Okay. You put circle to this number, Amma. Now please copy in your classwork, Amma. Activity 3. Encircle the largest numbers. Next bit. Encircle the smallest number. Let's see that. Encircle the smallest number. Shall I of it? What is our second bit? Encircle the smallest number. Children, I will explain some. You need a smallest number. Okay. Okay, Amma. Here also, these are having 4-digit numbers and 1000 place value. So we are checking in 1000 place 3, 4, 8, 7, 5. You need smallest number. Yes, children. Now in 1000 place, which number is the small one? 3. So this is the smallest number. You put circle to 3418. Okay, children. Now next one. 6, 9, 3, 6,502, 9,444, 3,442, 6,439, and 6,025. 6,025. You are checking in thousand place. You need small number 6, 9, 3, 6, 6. Which one is the small? 3. You got it, the smallest number. Okay, children. Now next 7,648, 7,496, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 8. You need smallest number. So 8 and 9, that is big one. So you compare these two numbers. You have this one having in thousand place, both having same number. So we are checking it. And then go to next. 6, 4. 4 is a small number. So what is our small number? 7,496 is the smallest number. You put circle to this 7,496. We can understand, children, how to find out smallest number and how to compare numbers. Those are whatever you getting numbers that having how many digit numbers? 3 digit, 4 digit. We are checking that first method is that one. Now that are having 3 digit numbers, we are checking in 100 place. No, otherwise 4 digit numbers we are checking in 1000 place. Okay, please copy it, Amma. Next, third beta. Let's see, Amma, third beta. Write the greatest and smallest number, smallest 4 digit number by using the given digits. Write the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. Number by using given digits. Digits, greatest number and smallest number. Okay, children. 6, 1, 4, 5. Okay, children. Okay, Amma. You need first greatest number. So, in the given digit, which one is the first greatest digit? You find out that 6, 4, 1, 5. So, which one is the greatest? 6. You should write 6 first because you need greatest number. Okay. Next 4, 5, 4, 1, 5. Which one? Greatest? 5. Next time 4. Now last one is what is the greatest number? 6,541. Next you need the smallest number. So first in given digit, which one is the small one? You should write first one small. You reverse like this. Write like this. Or you comparing digits, small, next small, like that. 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children, we have got it. Next one, Amma, you are getting 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, first greatest 3. Next 2, 2. Repeated 2. You write 2, 2. Next, last one is the 1. 3,220. You write reverse or you are checking in smallest one. Next 7, 2, 5, 1. Which one is the greatest one, Amma? 7. Next 5. Next one 2. Again 1. Okay. Write down, Amma. I given homework. activity 3 we having test book, children. We are all having test book. In activity 3, second bit you are do amma. Okay, or write in the board. Okay, please write it. This is homework. Encircle the smallest. These two are your homework, children. Okay, children. And first chapter over. Now revision is over. Not first chapter. In next class, I will explain first chapter, formation of 4-digit numbers. Okay, copy in your classwork, amma. These two are your homeworks. Do this two homework and post in our group, amma. Okay, take care. See you.